Welcome to a fascinating journey into the magical world of bird nests. If you're captivated by the ingenuity of birds and the remarkable ways they shape their environment, you're in for an extraordinary experience. Birds are among nature's most inventive architects, transforming ordinary materials into safe havens for their young. Each species displaying its own unique methods and adaptations. Today, we'll explore a variety of habitats and discover the astonishing techniques birds use to build their nests, from the ground up, in the treetops, and even on water. Prepare to be amazed as we reveal the secrets of some of the planet's most remarkable avian engineers. Let's begin our journey in the sun-drenched landscapes of Australia, home to the extraordinary Malleefowl. These birds are true marvels of the avian world, renowned for their impressive mound-building skills. Unlike most birds that weave nests in trees or shrubs, the Malleefowl constructs colossal mounds on the ground. The process begins with the male digging a large pit in sandy or loamy soil, sometimes as deep as 1 meter and several meters wide. Into this pit, the Malleefowl collects organic material, leaves, twigs, bark, and other debris, piling it high before covering it with a thick layer of sand or soil. But this mound is more than just a pile of earth. The organic material within decomposes, generating heat that acts as a natural incubator for the eggs. The male Malleefowl is a diligent caretaker, constantly monitoring the temperature inside the mound with his sensitive beak. If the mound becomes too warm, he removes some of the insulating soil to let excess heat escape. If it cools down, he adds more material to trap warmth. This constant adjustment ensures the eggs remain at the perfect temperature for development. The female lays up to 24 eggs in the mound, which are incubated by the heat from the decomposing vegetation. After about 2 to 3 months, the chicks hatch. Unlike many other birds, Malleefowl chicks are astonishingly independent. They dig their way out of the mound and are ready to fend for themselves almost immediately. This remarkable self-sufficiency is a testament to the evolutionary brilliance of these birds. From the arid Australian outback, we journey to the lush rainforests of New Guinea, where another avian wonder awaits, the Vogelkop bowerbird. These birds are not only skilled builders, but also artists in their own right. The male Vogelkop bowerbird constructs elaborate structures known as bowers, not for nesting, but as courtship arenas designed to attract females. The process begins with the male clearing a patch of forest floor, then erecting a framework of sticks that can exceed 1 meter in diameter. Once the basic structure is complete, the real artistry begins. The bower becomes a canvas for decoration. The male gathers an array of colorful objects, berries, flowers, shells, and even discarded man-made items like bottle caps or plastic fragments. Each item is carefully arranged, often sorted by color and size, to create a visually stunning display. The male is meticulous, constantly adding, removing, and rearranging decorations to maintain the bower's appeal. During courtship, he performs an elaborate dance and displays his plumage, hoping to impress visiting females. If a female is captivated by his artistry and performance, she will mate with him. Interestingly, she then leaves to build a simple, functional nest in a nearby tree, where she alone will raise her young. The bower remains a testament to the male's creativity and the power of aesthetics in the animal kingdom. Next, we head to the deep forests of North America to meet the pileated woodpecker, a bird easily recognized by its striking red crest and powerful beak. Pileated woodpeckers are expert carpenters, using their formidable beaks to excavate nesting cavities in dead or decaying trees. Both the male and female work together, chiseling away at the wood for several weeks to create a spacious, rectangular chamber. The interior is lined with wood chips, forming a soft bed for the eggs. The female lays 3 to 5 eggs, and both parents share the duties of incubation. Once the chicks hatch, the parents continue their partnership, feeding the young a diet of insects and fruit. The nest cavity provides excellent protection from predators and harsh weather, giving the chicks a safe place to grow. After several weeks, the young woodpeckers develop their flight feathers and, when ready, leave the nest to begin their lives in the forest. The pileated woodpecker's ability to transform a solid tree trunk into a secure nursery is a marvel of natural engineering. Our journey now takes us to the wetlands of sub-Saharan Africa, where the African jacana, or lily trotter, demonstrates a unique adaptation to life on water. These birds are famous for their long toes and claws, which allow them to walk gracefully across floating vegetation. Their nests are equally adapted to this aquatic environment. The male jacana is the primary nest builder, constructing a simple platform from plant material and anchoring it to floating leaves or stems. This floating nest rises and falls with the water levels, providing a stable environment for the eggs. The reproductive system of the African jacana is as fascinating as its nest. The species is polyandrous, meaning one female mates with multiple males. Each male takes on the responsibility of incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks after they hatch. The male even carries the chicks under his wings as he walks across the lily pads, protecting them from predators and teaching them how to forage. This remarkable role reversal highlights the diversity of parental strategies in the bird world. Moving from the wetlands of Africa to the tropical regions of Asia, we encounter the ingenious Tailorbird. These small songbirds are named for their unique method of nest construction, which involves literally sewing leaves together. The female Tailorbird selects a large leaf or a pair of leaves and uses her slender beak to puncture tiny holes along the edges. She then gathers plant fibers, or spider silk, and threads it through the holes, effectively sewing the leaves together to form a cradle. Inside this leafy cradle, the Tailorbird builds a soft, cup-shaped nest using grass, feathers, and other soft materials. The sewn structure provides excellent camouflage, hiding the nest from predators, and ensures stability even in windy conditions. The female lays her eggs in this carefully crafted nest and incubates them until they hatch. The intricacy and resourcefulness of the Tailorbird's nest are truly astonishing, showcasing the bird's adaptability and intelligence. Our final destination is the tropical forests of Asia, where the magnificent great hornbill resides. These large birds are known for their imposing size and the striking casque atop their beaks. The great hornbill's nesting process is unique, involving extraordinary cooperation between the male and female. The female selects a natural tree cavity or rock crevice for the nest. Once inside, she seals the entrance with a mixture of mud, droppings, and food, leaving only a narrow slit through which the male can pass food. This sealed chamber protects the female and her eggs from predators. The female remains inside for the entire incubation period, which lasts about 40 days, relying entirely on the male to bring her food. After the eggs hatch, the female stays with the chicks until they are old enough to leave the nest, while the male continues to supply food through the slit. This remarkable partnership ensures the safety and nourishment of the family, exemplifying the power of cooperation in the natural world. As we reflect on these diverse nesting strategies, we are reminded of the incredible adaptability and ingenuity of birds. Each species has evolved its own unique solutions to the challenges of raising young, whether it's the thermal mounds of the Malleefowl, the artistic bowers of the Vogelkop bowerbird, the carpentry of the pileated woodpecker, the floating platforms of the African jacana, the sewn leaf cradles of the Tailorbird, or the sealed chambers of the great hornbill. These behaviors not only ensure the survival of their offspring, but also offer valuable lessons about resourcefulness, cooperation, and the boundless creativity of nature. Observing these remarkable birds and their nests inspires a deep appreciation for the wonders of the natural world. Their stories remind us that even the smallest creatures can demonstrate extraordinary intelligence and resilience. As you continue to explore the world around you, take a moment to notice the birds in your own environment, their songs, their flights, and perhaps even their nests hidden among the branches. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the astonishing world of bird nest building. May it inspire you to look closer, learn more, and cherish the incredible diversity of life that surrounds us. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep appreciating the beauty and ingenuity of the natural world.